In this project, we're going to start with this project kit that includes a printed circuit board, a battery and a battery holder, an LED, a push button, a capacitor, a resistor, and a transistor. We'll take all of those components, we will solder them together to assemble this working circuit. When we press the button, the light comes on, it flashes in different colors and in different patterns. And you'll learn all about how this circuit works. We're actually going to have an intermediate step to the circuit where we leave the capacitor off and we see how the circuit behaves without it, and then we see how the circuit changes once we add the capacitor. We're also going to design some schematic diagrams so you can see how everything is connected together, and build a couple of virtual prototypes in a tool called Tinkercad. So, are you ready to get started? Let's go.